Hello friends, today we are going to learn a practical of pharmaceutical analysis 1 to perform the assay of sodium chloride by precipitation titration. Principle: the estimation of sodium chloride is based on precipitation type of titration by Mohr's method. Silver nitrate is titrated directly against sodium chloride and form white precipitate of silver chloride. Reaction is silver nitrate. When reacted with sodium chloride, it gives silver chloride precipitate and sodium nitrate. When all the chlorides of sodium chloride is consumed, it reacts with potassium chromate and end point can be detected with appearance of brick red color due to the formation of silver chromate along with potassium nitrate. Then procedure. Requirements: apparatus, burette, funnel, measuring cylinder, glass rod, beaker, conical flask, volumetric flask, funnel, and chemicals are sodium chloride, silver nitrate, potassium chromate, distilled water, etc. Step 1. Preparation of sodium chloride solution 0.1 molar. Step 2. Preparation of silver nitrate solution 0.1 molar. Step 3. Standardization of silver nitrate solution. Step 4. Assay of sodium chloride. And step 5, that is calculation. First, preparation of 0.1 molar sodium chloride solution. Weigh accurately 0.58 gram of sodium chloride and transfer it into the 100 ml of volumetric flask. Then add distilled water to dissolve sodium chloride. Swirl the volumetric flask for the complete dissolution of sodium chloride. After complete dissolution of sodium chloride, add distilled water and make up the volume up to 100 ml. Shake the volumetric flask for uniform mixing of sodium chloride, and this is the 0.1 molar sodium chloride solution. Then preparation of 0.1 molar silver nitrate solution. Weigh accurately 0.84 gram of silver nitrate and transfer it into the 50 ml of volumetric flask. Add distilled water to dissolve silver nitrate. After complete dissolution of silver nitrate, add distilled water and make up the volume up to 50 ml. Then swirl the volumetric flask for the proper mixing of silver nitrate. This is the preparation of 0.1 molar silver nitrate solution. Then standardization of silver nitrate solution, that is 0.1 molar. Take 10 ml of sodium chloride solution 0.1 molar and transfer into the conical flask. Then add 3 to 4 drops of potassium chromate as an indicator. Then mix the potassium chromate properly. Fill the burette with silver nitrate solution for the standardization of silver nitrate up to the 0 mark. And titrate the solution against silver nitrate. Add silver nitrate solution dropwise and see the color change. Titrate the solution against silver nitrate solution till the yellow color will changes to red brick color. Here the formation of silver chloride precipitate takes place. Here we can see the color change, and that is our end point. That is the formation of red brick colored precipitate of silver chloride. Then record the reading of burette, and from this reading we can calculate the molarity of silver nitrate solution. And the reading is nearby 10.1 ml. Then assay of sodium chloride by precipitation titration, that is by Mohr's method. Weigh accurately 0.25 gram of sodium chloride and transfer it into the conical flask. Then add 25 ml distilled water and again add 25 ml. That means overall 50 ml of distilled water is added into the 0.25 gram of sodium chloride. Dissolve the sodium chloride properly. Then add potassium chromate as an indicator. Mix the solution properly, and this solution is again titrated with pre-standardized silver nitrate solution. titrate the solution slowly till the color change will be yellow color to reddish color or brick red color. This is the end point. Then record the reading of burette, which is near to 45.5 ml, which is helpful for the calculation of percent purity. Then calculation. First, to determine molarity of silver nitrate solution by using formula M1V1 is equal to M2V2, where M1 is molarity of sodium chloride solution, V1 is the volume of sodium chloride, that is 10 ml, M2 is molarity of silver nitrate, and V2 is the volume of silver nitrate required, that is burette reading. Then 0.1 into 10 is equal to M2 into 10.1, and here we can calculate the molarity of silver nitrate, that is 0.099, which is equivalent to 0.1 molar. Therefore, molarity of silver nitrate was found to be 0.1 molar after standardization. Then equivalent factor calculation. 1 ml of 0.1 molar silver nitrate, which is equivalent to 0.005845 gram of sodium chloride. Then percent purity of NaCl is equal to V into E multiplied by Am into 100 divided by W into Rm, where V is volume of silver nitrate used, E is equivalent factor, Am is the actual molarity, Rm is required molarity, and W is equal to weight of sample. By using this formula, we can determine the percent purity of sodium chloride. Thank you.